Hi guys, good morning to all.
Very good morning, ma'am.
As you know that it's Tuesday today and especially for teaching day, so I will teach you something about Constitution and I will tell you an article in Constitution. As it is said that it is the we can say conscience of the our Constitution. Are you all aware about Constitution? What is Constitution?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is this? Okay, as I just want to tell you that there were 395 articles and 8 395 articles in when the constitution made, and it was the we can say anusuchiya. I don't know the English meaning of this. Then we can say what? Schedule. Yes, I forgot. There are 8 schedules and 395 articles when a constitution made, and it is just there is a part in this in our constitution. There are 12 to 35 articles. Means in which we see that we have the we all which we have rights, they all come in article 12 to 35. So this is not my topic. My topic is uh, article 32. This is my main topic of today, and I want to tell you what is article 32, why it is very important for, in our constitution, and why we see that it is the conscience of our article of our constitution. And as Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar said it, so all the rights we have, that we have rights to speak what we want to speak, as we have right that we cannot be discriminated by a caste, by our color, by our gender. So we cannot be discriminated by and any of the things. So all the rights we have in this article, they are 12 to 35, and but they are the article exists when article 32 has. If we have not article 32, so we cannot, I think it is not working well. So we cannot say that we have equality is right to equality, right to speak, right to means we have all type of rights. So there are 4 type of rights. Let me carry the marker. It is not working. Okay, so there are 4 rights in our article 32. First one is we can say prohibition, and second one is quo warranto. Third one is mandamus. Fourth one is habeas corpus. So first of all, I want to tell you that what is the habeas corpus, that is prohibition. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you what is prohibition. That prohibition is the article when we are saying to the person that he is working with us, and we have the doubt that he is not working well. So we can go to court, and we can say that he is not working well, and we can take allowed to the judge so that you should be restricted him or her. So second one is quo warranto. There are 4 type of articles by which we can go high court and supreme court, that we have all the rights, and but these all the rights are not working in our state and in our area. So by these things we can go to the supreme court and high court, and there are some prohibition and warranto that we can go to, as there are 2 or 3 types of courts, high court and supreme court. If supreme court is doing a work but it is not fact that it is not in its reason, so high court can give the order that you cannot do this type of work, that because it is in my reason. So there are 4 types of 5 types of articles. Fifth I forgot. So if you have question regarding it, so you can ask to me.
Sorry. Ma'am, can you tell me that without any constitution, Can we run our country?
No, we cannot run our country because
Why it is
if
so
you are
difficult?
committing a crime, so you don't know that which type of punishment will I take, and we fear it. If we are murdering a person, so we fear that by the article, by the law, we can be go in jail. We can be our lifetime jail. So we fear here, and we can fear to do any type of crime. And if we talk about the all the police, all the jobs we are going to take. So all these things are dependent on Allah. Because without it, we cannot separate the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Parliament. How we can run our country?
You are saying that if I commit any mistake, if I commit any type of rule, if I break any type of rule, so constitution will give me punishment.
Yes.
But I say
By the
it's
constitution,
not.
by the
By
constitution.
we can't give any type of punishment.
Why? Why? Because it is written in a article that if we are committing this type of crime, so it comes in this type of crime.
But as in, according to constitution, we will not give any type of punishment. If we want to give any type of punishment, so we will have to use IPC and CRPC.
So what? Where it comes?
It's
It comes in constitution and law.
It's not
It
coming
is
in
it is also part of this.
it's different.
I think it's not different. It comes in. Okay, sir. Thank you. I am feeling too hot. Then I can.